After taking a few weeks off to really make some good progress on this bathroom, it is finally done. The bathroom I began remodeling 3 months ago has taught me so much. I've made quite a few mistakes and learned so many things. I hope you enjoy this more fast-paced video where I just finish up all of the renovation portion of this bathroom. Before we get started, I want to thank FITTRACK for sponsoring today's video. FITTRACK is a smart scale that provides so much more than just your weight alone. It tracks and gives you 17 body metrics that can help you in reaching whatever health goals you're trying to reach. As most of you know, fitness is very important to me, and I'm only a few weeks away from giving birth, and I'm really excited to start that postpartum journey. During my postpartum journey and beyond, I'll be able to easily see and track all of my metrics directly on the app. All you have to do is sync your scale to the app, step on the scale, and the results will link directly to your phone. The app is user-friendly and really easy to understand. Some of the body metrics included are body fat percentage, muscle mass in pounds, and body water percentage. You're able to click on each individual metric and see your progress over a 7-day, 4-week, and 12-month period. FITTRACK is offering my audience an additional 20% off discount from the already discounted price using my code and link that you can find directly in the description. Thank you again to FITTRACK for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to work.
Ready, go. Here I come.
By the time you've watched this video, time is ticking because I am over 37 weeks pregnant now, and I finished the renovation portion just in time. On the next video, I will bring you along to decorate it with me. For now, let's go over how much money the total remodel cost me. The previous total was $3,053.34. Since then, I purchased quite a bit of stuff like paint supplies, tiles, screws, tools, plumbing supplies, thin set mortar, Schluter edging, silicone, prime pine boards, additional tile leveling systems, buckets, grout, diamond tile bits, more grout and tile adhesive, more primed pine boards, more Schluter trim, more plumbing supplies, floor tile, a toilet, bath and shower faucet set, totaling up to a total of $2,737.65 in additional expenses, bringing my grand total of this entire project to $5,480.99. So although it's more than I would have liked to have spent, it's still a fraction of what it would have cost me if I hired someone to do it. I think it's totally worth the investment, and I've learned so much along the way. The total price includes some of the tools I had to buy that I could potentially use in the future, which is an investment, and materials that I had to repurchase because of mistakes I made, which unfortunately things happen. And as somebody who's never renovated a bathroom before, I am okay with the mistakes that I made, and now I know what mistakes not to make again. It was a great learning experience, and I hope that this video and the entire project has helped you in some way. Thank you for sticking it out with me through this long journey. I love y'all, be kind, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye.